Nee, see, Shashi Tharoor, he can say whatever he wants to say because definitely, he is one of the most, knowledgeable person in the country we got, and I really don't want to comment on it. But they have to tell when Adani is supplying power to Bangladeshi, when Mr. Adani is supplying power to Bangladeshi, then what should we do now? Mr. Adani is supplying power to Bangladeshi. Now what should we do? Now what Mr. Amit Shah Sahab will do, or the BCCI Cricket Board will do, and number of students today who are studying in Bangladesh, you will be surprised. There are more than 70 to 80,000 students who are going to study in Bangladesh now. If you see the record, and Guspetiya, they talk about Guspetiya, right? Last 11 years, if you see, they have not touched even 6 to 7,000 Guspetiyas. They have not thrown people out of this country, and from morning till evening, they talk about Guspetiya only. If you see in UPA government, we have actually Guspetiya government bahar bhagaya, more than 70,000 people we have sent them out. And this government from morning till evening, they speak about Guspetiya, they have not thrown even 7,000 people out of this country. Please ask such questions to them. When Mr. Adani itself is supplying Bijli to Bangladesh, what should we do now?